Greetings, YouTube. I have not put on a video in a while because my school ended. I graduated high school. My dad owes me $100 because he didn't think I'd graduate. Also, plus, well, you know, that means I don't have Anne's camera, but that also means I broke my regular camera, which sucks, so I'm using my phone on this. But anyways, I've moved to Kansas for college, and I've also made an investment from Vital Exotics 5500 into some Super Dwarf Albino Het Snow Retics. And this is the boy. It's really hard to get a good video because gotta handle him and make sure he's okay at the same time. And he's very active. He's very, very chill, as you can see. Well, not chill, maybe a bad word for it, but he's not really a biter, at least at this point. Wait, 1 second. So here he is. He's a lav, because the thing is, the female, or the male purple that they had was not as, he didn't have a very good steady record of feeding, so they gave me the lav for the same price because they are amazingly supportive and they are just great people. But anyways, here's Brosif, that's his name. He's a real awesome guy, and he's eaten a couple of meals. He's a pig, and he's also got a pretty fast metabolism. He poops about 3 days after eating, so I feed him every 4 days now. But yeah, I just wanted to give an update. I'll give an update on the female in a little bit. So here he is. Meet Brosif.